Rising numbers paint a grim picture as the country faces a growing public health challenge. With HIV cases climbing steadily and more young Filipinos affected, officials warn that the clock is ticking unless stronger prevention and treatment efforts take hold. As our Bien Manalo tells us more.
Jesse Cabsat tested positive for human immunodeficiency virus or HIV in 2007, and he admits that he acquired the disease because of being naive and childish. He is very concerned about the continuing increase of HIV cases in the Philippines, especially because young people are affected.
Nung natanggap ko yung result, sabi ko doon sa doktor, Doc, namamatay na ba ako? Pero sabi naman niya, Sir, hindi naman ibig sabihin meron ka niyan. Pero sa sitwasyon nyo, may magagawa pa naman.
He faces it with courage instead of losing hope. He uses his voice to fight HIV. In fact, he is now the vice president of an NGO that supports people living with HIV in the country.
Nakakabahala ito kasi hindi ito biro na sana isipin nila na ang HIV ay napakahirap na sakit. Lalo na ngayon naglipana na yung mga dating apps, gay apps. Magsisimula din kasi sa atin sa sarili natin kung paano natin iingatan yung bawat isa sa atin.
According to the latest records of the Department of Health, the number of newly confirmed HIV-positive cases has reached more than 5,000 individuals from July to September this year. This means almost 60 new cases of HIV are recorded every day. 30% of those affected by the disease are minors, aged 18 years old and below. The total number of HIV cases in the Philippines has reached almost 150,000. The DOH says that the number could possibly rise to more than 400,000 in the next years if not addressed properly. It can be recalled that the Department of Health and the Philippine National AIDS Council proposed that HIV be determined a national public health emergency in the Philippines due to the continuing increase in its cases, which have increased by more than 500%. According to the PNAC, it is possible that there will be stocks of lenacapavir in the country next year, which will be studied by the Food and Drug Administration. This is an injectable medicine manufactured by an American biopharmaceutical pharmacy that can prevent HIV transmission. Medical research conducted shows that lenacapavir has a 99.9% efficacy rate as an HIV prevention medication. It costs $28,000 or the equivalent of 1.5 million pesos per year for 2 injections.
Itong lenacapavir, it's more of an injection, no? Babalik lang sila every 6 months. Ang problema, napakamahal nito. Pero napakaganda ng result ng mga studies nito, no? So, in terms of availability sa Philippines, parang wala pa siya. Wala pa yan sa gobyerno natin. And pagdating sa presyo, malaking usapan pa yan. Sabi ko nga, lahat ng mga bagay pinag-aaralan muna natin.
And in commemoration of World AIDS Day, the DOH assured that they will expand HIV testing nationwide and enhance treatment protocols against the disease. PhilHealth provides an annual benefit outpatient HIV/AIDS treatment package of more than 58,000 pesos, up from the previous 30,000 pesos under the YACA program. This includes antiretroviral therapy and other services for HIV management that are available at more than 200 PhilHealth accredited and DOH designated HIV treatment hubs in various parts of the Philippines. The DOH advises the public to follow some reminders to avoid contracting HIV/AIDS. Bien Manalo from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.